To get started, I just have some footage on my timeline that I'd like to add some cinematic black bars to. Let's begin by right-clicking in the project panel and go to New Item Adjustment Layer. The default settings should already match your timeline, so just hit OK to add it to your project panel. The reason we're using an adjustment layer is because you'll often have multiple clips, and with an adjustment layer, you can add the black bars to everything at once. It's just a lot easier. So now let's drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline, and then drag its end so that its duration covers all the clips you want it to. Next, go over to the Effects panel and type Crop into the search box. Drag the crop effect onto the adjustment layer on your timeline. Then make sure your adjustment layer is still selected and go over to the crop effect in Effect Controls. Change the crop's top value to 12% and change the crop's bottom value to 12% as well. I'm using 12%, but you can use a bigger or smaller percent, depending on how big you want your bars to be. Okay, and now as you can see, it added these black bars over my footage. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.